Cindy Ramos to the press box, please. Cindy Ramos to the press box. Pass is incomplete. There's flags on the play. Pass is complete. He stopped short of the first down, of the touchdown. Hand off to number 26, and it's a touchdown for the Demolition. Picked up, number 42 is taking it back. One man to beat. That is good. The extra point is good with the flag on the play. And roughing the kick against the Nighthawks. That kickoff goes all to the end zone. Oh, flag on the play. All-Star Nighthawk. Interception by number 13 from the Demolition. Field goal attempt. And it's good. Good kick taken by number 5, and that will end the half with your score: Demolition 20, Arizona Nighthawks 14. Get ready for Loner, your halftime entertainment. Almost recovered the kick. Will be Demolition ball, close to the 50. Pass is intended for number. Fumble on the play. Recovered by Arizona Nighthawk ball. Covered by number 18. Handoff to number 33, David Mins. Number 33 turns it up the field. First down, Nighthawk. Recovered by number 30, David Mins. Mins with the ball, takes it up. Carries one of the Demolition players down to the 5-yard line. First down, Nighthawk. Number 2 with the carry. Takes it down to about the 2-yard line. 2nd and goal on the 2 for the Nighthawks. Gary Hannon with the ball. Touchdown, Nighthawks! Arizona Nighthawks 21. Don't forget to pick up your Nighthawks t-shirt. 12 bucks. Support your Arizona. Down to about the 15-yard line. He gets the seal. And gets by the kicker. We got a flag down. Illegal block in the back against the demolition. That's going to bring it back. Running back caught in the backfield, but still is able to gain about a yard. Quarterback drops back. Completes the pass to number 42. Met by 3 Nighthawks. Hands the ball number 21 up the middle. Carries quite a few members of Nighthawk defense. This is about a 15-yard gain. And the Nighthawks 27-yard line. Handoff to number 34. Taken down by number 4. Quarterback drops back to pass. Incomplete. Quarterback drops back. Pressure. Interception. Nighthawks ball. 81, Josh Harris with the interception. Kills the demolition drive. Flag on the play. All start on the Nighthawks. Walls keeps it. Gains about a yard on the play. Walls keeps it on the option. Gains about a yard on the play. number 88. And flag on the play. Deep kick. Picks up. Oh, covered. Legal procedure on the Nighthawks. Sponsored by Patson Radio. Hawks going to be kicking again. Another flag on the play. Again, he's covered. The flag's been waved off. The tackle was made by number 40, Sean Ryan. Quarterback hands off the ball. There's a flag on the play. The demolition of the 1st and 10 and the Nighthawks 38. Quarterback hands off the ball. Number 24. Number 8. J.L. Aubrey is in on the stop. Hand off to number 26. Looks like he stopped short of the 1st down. Let's make some noise for your pitch number 26, and he gets the 1st down. Quarterback hands off. Number 21, there's a flag on the play. Number 27. Face mask against the Nighthawks. Quarterback pitches the ball. Number 27 gets in the end zone. Touchdown, Demolition. Extra point is good. Number 8 with the return. Taken down 15-yard line. J.L. Aubrey. Walls hands off to number 33. Breaks it to the outside. Close to a 1st down. See where they mark it. Number 2 gets a room around the outside. 1st down. Carried by Gary Hammond. Walls hands off to Minnis. And that brings it an end to the third quarter. Demolition 27, Nighthawks 21 and driving. Residential and commercial services. For inquiries, call. Walls pitches to number 2, breaks it around the outside. Gary Hammond with the carry. Hand off to Minnis. He's met at the line of scrimmage. Handoff goes to number 26, Steven Seal. Pitch goes to Minnis. Caught from behind by number 1. Papa Tops Saloon sponsor the Arizona Nighthawks. They're open tonight after the game until sale for $12. Walls drops back to pass. Completes the pass. Walls drops back. Pass is deflected. Quarterback hands up off the middle. Fumbling off, he's called down, Number 4 with the carry. Hand off to number 26, cuts it back. Gets a first down. Quarterback hands off the ball, number 26 at the middle. Pitch to number 27, gets around the outside, but he's met. Quarterback drops back to pass. Completes a pass to number 17. Enough for demolition, first down. Quarterback hands the ball off to number 27. He gains about a yard on the play. Walmart stores of Yuma. And number 27 with the ball. Puts it outside. It's gaining about 2 yards. Down and 6 on the Nighthawks 22-yard line. Handoff goes number 27, bounces it outside, still on his feet. Looks like that'll be enough for demolition, first down. Quarterback hands the ball off number 26, still on his feet. And gets into the end zone. Touchdown, Demolition. The extra point is good for Nighthawks 21. Number 18 with the return. Taken down by number 4 from the Demolition. Ball drops back to pass. Touchdown, Nighthawks! Nelson with the touchdown. Demolition 34, Nighthawks 28. Ryan still ready to kick off. Good kick up the middle. Left by number 4. And finally brought down at the 39-yard line. Handoff goes to number 26. 5-yard gain on the carry. Handoff goes to number 34. And he's met by the Nighthawks defense. Handoff goes to number 26. Breaks a couple of tackles. It's 4th down. And that is the 2-minute warning. 4th and 1. It's here for the defense. Up the middle, at the line of scrimmage. Doesn't look like he got it. Where they spot the ball. Official timeout for a measurement. First down, Demolition. Hand it up the middle. 34 with the carry. Handoff goes to number 26. He met at the line of scrimmage. Third and 6. Delay a game, Demolition. Number 27. Handoff goes to number 27. It's going to be the 4th down. With the punt. Seconds on the clock. 1st down. Walls drops back. Dumps off to Menace. Up the middle. He breaks it out. And that's the game, ladies and gentlemen. Final score, Demolition 34, Nighthawks 28.